Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. So make sure you follow my tip till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a wallet icon at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now you can see, and make sure you are in this overview section, and you can see there is a buy crypto option at the middle of this screen, which is at the right side of this P2P option. So let's tap on that buy crypto, and now you can see there is a buy USDT options on in the screen. So once you tap on that buy USDT, you'll be able to see lots of cryptocurrencies over here. So let me choose BTC for now, because we're gonna buy BTC. So just down below of this buy BTC, you can see there is a pay with option. So once you tap on that, you can see there is a two payment method. First one is card and another one is Apple Pay. And you can also change the reason by tapping on the reason, which is at the right side of this P2P trading. So once you tap on that reason, you can change your country or region from here successfully. Now let's get back, and now let's enter the amount, let's say 100 USD. And now finally you need to tap on the add new card, and now you need to enter your banking credentials or your card credentials over here, and finally tap on the confirm. And once you verify yourself, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin in Binance successfully. So basically this is how you can buy Bitcoin in Binance app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.